Yep, it's a rainy day in the Bahamas. It's really not an indoor place.
So there you see it in the beginning of the shot, that lightning does indeed start from the ground and go up.
And now you've got yourself something funky.
Looks like we're probably just having a little rest. You know, one of the things, I'm really not too good with staying inside all the time. And it's been like 3 weeks now. So I'm getting a little stir crazy, to tell you the truth. Of course, I made a big boo-boo today. I made bacon. And the grease ants like bacon. They were very happy trailing it along the counter and back home. Wondering why I didn't show you a better picture, more close up of the ants and such, is the power is still not back on. How's that for just some of the lovers? Ha. Here's water we collect. Rainwater is much better than the town water for the plants. And this is our cistern, which holds, I don't know, 2,000-3,000 gallons of water. We take the buckets and then put it in. Well, power's still out, and unfortunately I'm going to run out of battery any second, so I'll have to see if I can get another battery and charge it up to keep this going. Yay, still in business. Luckily I bought some extra batteries just for occasions like this. Not that the power goes out too often here. Joke, joke, ha ha. And now, amazingly, it's a beautiful day. Positive changes. We need some positive changes. Thinking about some positive